today I would like to share with you this cupping massage instrument. This awesome product, guys, will help you relieve pain in your body and also with muscle soreness. And because it has red light therapy, that will also help you to improve blood circulation, therefore reducing inflammation. Guys, this awesome product will provide you with massage, with heat, with red light therapy, and also with the suction. So to use it, it's super simple. This right here will be the power button. This one is to control the temperature. So you have 122 degrees Fahrenheit that you can apply to the massaging to make it even better. Now this one right here is for you to switch between the different levels of suction. And now the button on the top right here is to release the pressure. So friends, like I said before, this on top of everything, it has red light therapy, which I think is really great because red light therapy is known to have very good anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help you, improve blood circulation. And guys, another great thing about this product is that it comes with a remote control. So you can always control the different suction levels, the temperature, and also to release the pressure with this remote control as well. And of course, you can turn it on and off by using the remote. In addition, this product comes with two different rings that you can replace. You have a bigger one and a smaller one. And to replace them, super simple. You're just going to screw it in and out just like that. So the larger one will be great for larger areas of your body, and the smaller one perfect for smaller areas. So let's say you want to use it in your wrist or in your ankle, the smaller one will be great for that. So this product also is rechargeable, which I think is super cool. And to recharge it, you will find this Type-C USB cable included in the package. So friends, I know that Christmas is coming right around the corner, and I highly recommend this product as a gift for any family members or friend. I absolutely recommend it, and I really hope you will enjoy it, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.